Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a replica of the question. This feature makes it easier to create quizzes if some questions already exist in the Academy. Instead of creating from the scratch, you can use existing question. To create a replica of a question, go to the question you want to copy. Click the three dots and choose Create Master. Next, choose the quiz you want to copy from. First, select the Academy, course, and quiz. You can also select a question to be replaced by the replica or click Create a new question. After that, click Assign. Once this is done, the replica will appear in the selected quiz. Any changes made in the master questions will automatically be reflected in all its replicas. The master questions in the quiz is indicated with a special marker. You can also view all the replicas by clicking View Detail. If needed, you can unlink the questions by clicking Disconnect from master content. The replica will then become an independent copy that can be added separately from the master questions. This feature helps you manage questions more efficiently and saves time when creating quizzes. I hope this helps, and good luck with your Academy!